you have unusual cough at night so that you cannot sleep properly? We have a simple solution for this. You just need Vicks Vapor Rub and cotton socks. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Vicks and cotton socks. So you just rub the Vicks all over your feet, just as shown here. Just take the Vicks and rub it. So you have to do the same even at the bottom of your feet. Once this is done, just cover it with cotton socks, and then hopefully you won't have any more cough. You can have a good sleep, and in the morning you just clean it with warm water.